Yeah, yeah. Hey, feeling young, but
Get up in here real quick. Much better. You feel me? Throwing the little hood a little bit. It's a little nippy in here. Damn, my trade just hit TP2. So it's a lot going on right now. I actually wasn't expecting for my trade to do what it's doing right now, and I'm not gonna lie. This is a crazy way to start the new year. Everything's just happening fast. Let's just say that. Everything's just happening fast. I'm currently floating like 3,800. Yeah, 3,800 per setup. I actually just hit all my TPs for a current trade that I'm in, so I think I'm about to just close out. It's a lot going on. Just give me a second. Let me figure this shit out. 1 second. But it's a new year, and it's just like, although it's a new year, like, I wanted to come up on here more, talk to y'all guys more, share a little bit about my goals. Like, I'm headed this year as a person, and this what I'm planning to accomplish. Give me 1 second. TP2 hit. You shitting me? And then let me bing, bong, boom, boom, bing. You ain't giving sauce to your community, like, what are you doing? What are you doing? But where was I? Oh, yeah. I was saying pretty much like, I just wanted to fill y'all in, like, my goals for the new year, like what I plan on doing, and just what I'm looking to do in 2026. You feel me? I just wanted to become closer with y'all, bring y'all on my journey, let y'all know more about my trading mindset, let y'all know more about how I feel about certain things, my overall outlook, And I just feel like the most important thing that like really just kept me grounded in 2025 that I want to make sure that I bring into 2026 on full speed is like God. Like, bro, if it wasn't for God and just me having a relationship with Him and just praying and going through the ups and downs and just learning as a man how to process all these things, I promise you, 2025 would have buried me. But it's actually a very good year for me. And I just low key want to keep that same momentum going into 2026. Like, same momentum, keeping God first, being disciplined, having very, very big trading months. Like, I think January, because today's the 1st, so again, Happy New Year's, but I think this month alone, I'm right now I'm trading like with a 50K account. So the goal is to like do another 50 or 100K. It's definitely going to be more than that, but I'm going to be withdrawing and doing everything. But the goal is to really build this account to like 2-3 million. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how long it's going to take me, but last time I did in like a period of like 3 months. So we're just going to see where it takes me in 2026. But I think moving forward today, every trade I take is just going to be documented, win or lose. So you guys are going to see it, and you're just going to see how I go along with this journey. I'm thinking about doing like another account build as well, like a small one, but I done built this account from 3K all the way to 50K, and I haven't really withdrawn much, and I've been feeling like a slave to my process, but it's been worth it. I have 55K, you know what I'm saying? So I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. But 2026, man, is here. I want to just make sure that like I'm getting deeper with my relationship with God. I'm doing Bible studies. I'm focusing on my happiness and just really make sure I'm happy. I feel like me serving my community and my people is what makes me happy. So just documenting my journey, giving y'all guys as much value as I can on how I did this, what I see, my overall insight, just everything, man. Cause like I'm nothing if I don't share. You know what I'm saying? I ain't no gatekeeper, but I low-key am planning on buying a car this month because, like, I've been away from, like, the car game for, like, forever. And if y'all guys know me, like, I've always had a car. So, like, I got to get a car. Um, I gotta host, like, an event and do, like, a giveaway of some sort. I don't know. There's just so much shit I want to do. But I'm going to, like, prioritize. But I think first is, like, we got to pop back up outside. So I got to go get me a car. And then, a nice car, a nice car. I have a couple in mind, but we'll see, we'll see. End of the month. We'll see however this trading journey goes. But like, I'm definitely not trying to withdraw now, so I got to build some more cushion, especially for what I want. I like nice shit. But yeah, man, I just want to take y'all along my trading journey. I'm in the process of moving, so I know y'all saw my office looks like shit. Like, I literally have to move tomorrow morning, and like, I'm like one door in, like 1 foot in, 1 foot out. I got so much shit I need to do, and it's just like, oh. And then, you know, my daughter's getting older. It's about to be my daughter's birthday. So it's just like, it's literally my daughter's birthday in like 7 more days. So like, I literally got to get ready for her birthday. It's a lot, man. And it's just like, I am just extremely blessed, bro, because like, I just remember around this time last year, like, my daughter was traveling, going to her hometown. So it's like, she wasn't away. She was like with me, but like leaving right after her birthday. It was a lot. It was a lot. It was a lot. So it's like, I'm extremely grateful to like, you know, just be spending it with my daughter, and, you know, just watching her grow and just being that. And then even watching me grow as a person, it's just been crazy. But it's just very, very beautiful, man. But 2026 is just a lot of things, man. Like, I want to do more meet and greets. I want to be able to meet y'all, you know? I want to be able to just understand what y'all going through as traders and to see if I can help. Because, like, I've been there, bro. I've been there. Like, this trading shit just, it ain't easy. Like, it ain't easy sometimes. It's not. It's simple, but it's not easy. And it's just like, I feel like we as traders make it look easy. But I don't know, man. I'm just going to bring y'all on my journey. I'm just here to help all of y'all the best way I can. You feel me? Like, I'm here to motivate y'all, help y'all, make y'all grow. You feel me, niggas? Like, what can I say? I'm here for y'all, man. I just want to make sure I'm present a lot more, because I feel that y'all guys need me a lot. Like, I see y'all comments. I see what y'all guys are saying in the video. So it's just like, boom. But as far as for my goals go, short-term goals is like, you know, a couple little material shit, like get a new car, like a new supercar. I'm already moving into a brand new crib that I've always wanted to move into, so we're knocking that out the park. And y'all guys are gonna see me decorated, just go crazy, the whole 9 yards, man. And just my day-to-day struggles, my ups, my downs on the charts, how I handle myself, how I do everything, man. Like, I just feel like it's so important, because like, there's so much shit that y'all guys don't see behind the scenes, and it's like, fuck it. We pulling back the curtain and y'all guys are seeing everything. So it's just like, why not? So that's pretty much what I'm gonna do, man. And it's just like, I'm not motivated by a lot of people, you know what I'm saying? Because like, you'll idolize somebody, and this is completely random, but like, you'll idolize somebody, or you'll like fuck with somebody, and then you meet them in real life and it's like, alright, you know what I'm saying? Or sometimes they're cool, but it's just like, I've always been self-motivated to like just be great, and like, I just want to help y'all be great so y'all can be great with me. You feel me? So that's all I'm saying there. But I'm pretty much in a trade right now, and it looks like it's potentially gonna push. So I think what I'm low-key about to do is I'm gonna jump into breaking down this trade for y'all real quick and tell y'all why I took it, what I saw, where I called it at, and everything like that, just the whole details, and give y'all like a little miniature breakdown, because I want to be consistent as well. But my goal definitely this month is to make, I don't know, I'm aiming for like 100K. I'm trying to be super realistic, but I'm also doing an account build, so I know I'm gonna withdraw. So it's just like 100K plus profit, but I'm really looking to take the account to like 2-3 million. Yeah, 2-3 million, somewhere around there. But I'm just trying to see if I could do it in 90 days. That's the biggest thing. Whatever I can do in 90 days. These market conditions are supposed to be great, so let's see. Let's see. But y'all give me a second. Let me get set up on the computer so I could actually break this down for y'all. 1 second. All right, so here we are on the land of the charts. So real quick, let me kind of go over it. So pretty much, I guess let's take it from the 1 hour, right? Obviously, overall, we are in a bit of a downtrend on NAS. Well, overall, we're in an uptrend, but temporary short downtrend as of right now. I think we came back here just to make this pullback so we can go long. I really feel like this is a move that I can hold long term, but I'm not really focused on that. If we were supposed to alleviate some of these zones, for example, that way our chart's a little bit more clear. And all these little dotted line shits are actually, we only need like one fib. Which fib? This is the 60. We can emphasize this one. All right, cool. So here we are back on the 1 hour, right? And pretty much what I saw was we pretty much made this higher low right here. We broke, pushed up. Upon us pushing up, right, we came back, we retested him at 23.6, and then long story short, we pushed all the way up here. Up here was the higher high point. So once I saw the higher high point, we did a temporary break of structure. I caught shorts here, Fast forward to where we are now, right? Been catching shorts pretty much, as you can see. So it's been a selling market. I saw that we were coming up into this 4 hour zone, this 4 hour demand zone. So we came and instantly come market open, we rejected off of it, letting me know that we're respecting this area of support. Then I went down to the 30-minute and I saw how we retested it and then we began to push up even more. So I'm like, oh shit, like it's pretty much happening. So then I went to the 15-minute and I marked off structure to where I started just, watching it, right? Because pretty much we're making lower highs and lower lows. And right here is where it got real significant for me. If I break this down to the 5-minute chart, we pretty much came from this high up here, and I want y'all just to pay attention so y'all can get it. We pretty much came from this high up here, and after we did this pullback, retesting this zone, we came back, we did this pullback, retesting this zone. This is where we gapped up. So once we gapped up, we retest, and we came, and I'm like, okay, so we're definitely up here. We need to break this. Let's just see if this pullback, how this pullback is. We came, we literally retested the zone. And then as we were pushing up, because my stop loss was a little bit bigger at first, I was really trying to I normally give it like around like 25 ticks, or 25 pips, should I say, the equivalent to that. So I normally give it like around this, but obviously I didn't know how much we were going to do the pullback until based on where I entered at, in all honesty. So I wanted to make sure that we use this area as a support to where I can scale in. So I did some low risk right here just to probe it and see. And then as we did this pullback, I did my real position right around in here to where my stop loss was, I actually entered. Well, this became my stop loss once we kind of broke, but boom, kind of did that. And then we retested this, and then we just kept on pushing up. And then this was my TP1, this is my TP2, and that's pretty much how I'm now floating. Let's see how much I'm floating because we're still pushing up. I'm floating basically 3,900. So roughly like around 4K, which in my eyes isn't bad. Isn't bad for a setup like this. So I am supposed to get out right here, but the move hasn't actually given me a reason to. I want to see how we interact with this trend line, but this is literally only like 50 points. I want to see if I can catch like 1,000, which is like up here, because it looks like we're gonna break the trend line. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually move my stop loss up into this area and pretty much see how it goes. But I'm floating 4,000 now, so it's not bad, and we're just gonna pretty much see how it goes. But like, let me kind of switch it back real quick. And that's pretty much like what I was just talking about. Like, I'm trying to make sure like I'm the best version of myself on these fucking charts. Like, ain't nobody gonna be like how I'm gonna be on these charts. And I want to just make sure I showcase every second of that, every moment of that, my ups and downs, how I plan on bouncing back, just like all of that. Because I feel like that mindset that you build as a trader, that's the real value. That's the real thing you can't put a dollar on. Like the experiences that you learn in the market. And if y'all guys can learn from my experiences and learn how I handle myself, I feel like y'all guys will be even better. You feel me? So that's pretty much the goal. But I'm not going to yap and bore y'all too much, man. We had a pretty good trading setup just now. We took a pretty good setup. You feel me? So I'm just going to keep it short and simple, man. But comment down below what your goals is for 2026, man. I know I have a lot of things that I want to do, and so much more that I haven't even begun to share. But as we build this journey together, you know what I'm saying? We'll do it. And if y'all guys want to follow my trades or follow my process with my account build personally, feel free to hit that link below in the description and join my free Telegram community. I live traded them for free. It's a beautiful community. It's called TPF, the Pack Family. And you know, my goal in there is to build as much traders as I can into just being something great. You know, really building a family because this trading shit do get lonely. Hence why I'm on here talking to y'all. But enough about me running my mouth, man. God bless. Happy New Year's to y'all once again, man. Hope y'all guys enjoy the journey. Hope y'all guys are ready to join the journey with me, man. Y'all guys are gonna see me do a lot of things, but we back, baby. We back. Deuces. Damn. I'm not gonna lie. I forgot to do something. I'm also trying to be consistent as possible with this overall trading process and shit. So we're actually rejecting my trend line. So this pretty much is my goal. So I'm just gonna fucking close out where I am now. Literally, I'm just gonna close out. I'm literally floating. I'm waiting for the camera to focus. God damn it! If you could just focus. I'm literally here at 30, basically 3,800. So I'm gonna close out with y'all real quick. All right, let me hit it. All right, close, focus, 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 nigga, focus. All right, bam. And literally closed out. I even closed out GJ, but fuck it, it had to be done. Cool, 3,400 made. Something light. It is what it is. Fuck it. Like, fuck it. It is what it is. Some light shit, but that's how we start in the new year. One trade at a time, one thing at a time, and that's just what we doing, man. A nice 3,400 to start the day off. You know what I'm saying? Start the year off. So that shit's definitely going to move in. I'll see y'all in the next one, man.